This video sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping application. That application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store, App Store.
From the beginning. Okay. Chhatri. Cha, ta, ri. Chhatri. Chhatri, umbrella. Chhatri, umbrella. The second letter is ta. Isn't it? You should not say ta. That should be pronounced as it. Chhatri. Chhatri, umbrella. Chhatri, umbrella. Chata also you can say. So chata, chhatri, both gives the same meaning. Chhatri, umbrella. Then chawa. Chawa, young pig. Chawa. Chawa means young pig. Young pig is known as chawa. What is this? Chawa. Chawa, young pig. Chawa. For the pig, we are saying suvar, isn't it? This is young pig, chawa. Then the next one is chipkali. Chipkali. What is that? Chipkali. Chipkali is lizard. Like chhatri, you should say chip. Chipkali. Chipkali, lizard. What is lizard? Chipkali. What is lizard? Chipkali. Chipkali, lizard. Lizard, chipkali. Chipkali, lizard. Then chinkar. Chinkar is the name of a tree, that is acacia. Chinkar. Chinkar. Chinkar is a name of tree, that is acacia. Chinkar. What is it? Chinkar. Chinkar. Chinkar have another meaning also. Chinna means to snatch from others. To snatch. Here chinkar means a name of a tree. Then churi. Churi, knife. Churi. Churi, knife. Another word we learned yesterday, that is chaku. Chaku, knife, and churi also the same thing. Knife. Churi, knife. Chaku gives the same meaning. Chaku and churi gives the same meaning, that is knife. Chaku or churi. Now chuhi. Chuhi means chalk. Chuhi, chalk. Chuhi. Chuhi means chalk. Okay. Chalk means a piece of a chalk which is used for writing on the board. Okay. Chuhi. Chuhi, chalk. Chuhi. What is it? Chuhi. Chuhi, chalk. Then what is this? There is a hole here. That hole is known as chhed. What is it? Chhed. Chhed, hole. Whether it is in a tree, you could have seen some holes will be there in big trees. That also known as chhed only. Chhed. Chhed means hole. Chhed. Chhed means hole. Chhed. Chhed, hole. Then chaya. Chaya means a small boy. Chaya means a small boy, a child. Boy child. A boy child is known as chaya. Chaya, you know ladka. Anna, ladka, ladki, you know. This is another word for a small child, male child, boy child. Chaya. What is this? Chaya. Next one, chor. Chor means river bank. Chor, river bank. What is here in the bank of the river? One boat is there. Okay, that is known as chor. Chor, river bank. The first chor is known as a thief. This is chor. Chor means river bank. bank of a river. That also you can say. Chor. This is chauna. What is that? Chauna. Chauna means young animal. Chauna means any young one. Chauna. Chauna means young animal. Chauna. What is that? Chauna. Chauna means younger one, young animal. Any young animal is known as, commonly it is known as chauna. Chauna, young animal. Now we will see everything together. Chhatri. Chhatri, umbrella. What is it? Chhatri. Chhatri, umbrella. Chava. Chava, young pig. Chipkali, lizard. Chinkar, acacia. Churi, dagger. What is another word for chuhi? Churi, chaku. Chaku or churi. Both gives the same meaning. Okay. Chhatri, umbrella. Chava, young one. Chipkali, lizard. Chinkar, acacia. Churi, dagger. Churi, dagger. What is churi? Dagger. What is chaku? That also the same thing, dagger or knife. Okay. Chhatri, umbrella. Chava, young pig. Chipkali, lizard. Chinkar, acacia. Churi, dagger. Chuhi. Chuhi, chalk. A piece of chalk. Chuhi. Ched, hole. Chaya, boy. That is a child, boy child. Chaya means a boy child. Choh, a river bank. Choh, river bank. Chauna, young animal. Chauna, young animal. Okay. Chuhi, chalk. Ched, hole. Chaya, boy. Choh, river. Chauna, young animal. Okay, bache? Listen. Again and again listen. Many times you have to listen. Concentrate and listen. Understand the pronunciation.